When we did run competitor equipment, if it wasn't broken down, uh, it would break down pretty quickly. And then we were always going back to the shop.
Vermeer takes a little bit more initiative when you're getting that customer to move over from something they've been comfortable with. Honestly, for 20 years is about how long they've been running competitive equipment.
So XIT, we do a little bit of everything from repairs to new installation. The area we cover, we have a massive area. We're basically the whole panhandle up here. We have a lot of counties we cover, a lot of rural areas. You're talking miles upon miles between locations that we're plowing, putting fiber in. So we have a big area that we're traveling. We do a lot of drive time with this job.
The job we're on today is a new school that they're building. We had ran a temporary drop and we were taking a permanent drop to the main building.
So the history behind coming across Vermeer was we were running other drills and we weren't having much luck with the durability of them drills, and so we started shopping around. If we had breakdowns, we'd have to load them up, head them back to the nearest big city, which is an hour drive away, drop them off, get them repaired, or run back for parts, hour away, hour back, depending on where we were at.
They just needed extra support and some things from parts and service, as well as some stuff from a sales rep that they just weren't getting.
Brody reached back out to me when I inquired about it, and he really explained the machine well.
Really, the guys were great about knowing what they wanted. They knew what they needed. They know what they do on a day-to-day basis, and they've been really great and really easy to work with.
We were concerned about learning a new machine, stepping into something we didn't know, we weren't familiar with, but ultimately it was a good decision. Ever since we've stepped into that, it's been a good machine.
The ease of transition from getting XIT from a competitive brand to a Vermeer brand, not only did they make it easy because they're knowledgeable, they know how to run equipment, they maintain their equipment well, but it was also easy from a Vermeer standpoint.
Our guys had a little bit of training. We had sent a couple guys to Pella to school to learn a little more about those machines. Brody and his guys have come down and educated us a little bit more on how the machines work, things we weren't doing or things that we need to be doing.
Brody's always been real persistent, always been around for us when we needed him, always followed up with us, and that's one of the main reasons that we chose to go with Vermeer.
Their coverage alone can stretch roughly about 4 hours from one side to the other. And as far as them being away from their actual shop location in Dalhart, Texas, they can be driving 2 hours one way to get to a job site. Something that we perform is we have a tooling specialist that can go out on jobs and help with any tooling that they may have. We have field service technician trucks that are able to meet them on a job site. I'm always available if they need assistance that way.
When we ran other drills, we had a lot of downtime. It's a big benefit to run Vermeer. We've spent a lot more time being productive and getting stuff done instead of waiting for it to get out of the shop.
It's helped our production massively. We get a lot more line put in the ground, we're a lot more productive, and ultimately we're moving better as a business.